Warrant Officer Mabaso, good morning.
Good morning, how are you, Advocate?
I'm fine.
Good.
Thank you. Have you ever heard people saying that all that glitters is not gold?
No,
Have you ever heard it?
No, I've never heard it.
Are you hearing that for the first time from me?
Yes.
Thank you. All that glitters is not gold. Now,
Completely unbelievable there from Warrant Officer Mabaso is he's being questioned, by Advocate Mnisi about him knowing the statement, all that glitters is not gold. So he has simply told us, that he does not know that statement, he's never heard of it. I don't think that there is anyone, who has gotten to a university level and even a warrant officer on top of that, not to know the statement, all that glitters is not gold. It's completely unbelievable. So me listening to that, I feel like, this guy is lying to us, under oath, completely in broad daylight. And there is nothing anyone can do about it, because there is no way to prove that this guy does not know the statement, all that glitters is not gold. You can't prove it. You can't prove it. But you can see that this guy is lying to us. But there is a reason why Mabaso is lying here. It is because he knows that Advocate Mnisi is going to ask him about the gold tooth that he saw in the teeth of Mthobisi Mncube. So this guy, Warrant Officer Mabaso, claimed that Mthobisi Mncube had gold tooth in his teeth. So Advocate Mnisi is trying to expose him, by saying that all that glitters, is not gold. What you saw in Mthobisi Mncube's teeth, it was just a glitter. It was not a gold tooth. So Warrant Officer Mabaso knows that, and he knows the question that is going to come up, like the follow-up question, after agreeing to knowing this statement, all that glitters is not gold. So by Warrant Officer Mabaso saying, I don't know that statement, he is lying strategically because he knows the follow-up question that is going to come. So it's just strategic lying here. He knows exactly what he's doing, basically. I think we can put it that way. It's not like he is naive, incompetent, etc. He definitely knows what he is doing because he knows the follow-up question that is going to come. So he decided to deal with the issue early in the morning and just block it and just be like, I don't know that statement. I'll catch you guys on the next one.